Okay, alright, this is Anthony F. AllYourAndroid.com, and here I am with a very interesting app. It's called Picscribe, and it actually puts comments in your EXIF data, which is really cool. The developer's idea was so that you never lose your comments. If you upload photos to places that eventually close down, you don't lose your pictures, you don't lose your comments. I'm not sure how others can comment on this, on your picture, but you can comment on the picture yourself, and we'll go further into how others can comment also on your picture. So here's a tutorial. Picscribe lets you add comments to your photos right in the metadata of the photos themselves. Alright, let's Photos with comments attached will appear with a word balloon over them in the gallery view. Post notification if you want to know you took a picture and you forgot to comment on it. And you can collect anonymous data. Alright, so let's see if we can grab a picture here. I believe this is like alpha, stage 1. Maybe we'll wait on that. And let's see if we can get to something here that's cool. Alright, so we'll check this out here. So I think this was already here in the data. So we'll take it out. And let's see. Okay, and we click done. And I think it just says save failed. Okay, I think it's there, folks. Alright. So then you save it to where you gotta save it to. Usually Google Plus will show your EXIF data. Okay. Alright, so now let's go to Google Plus and see if it's there. Alright, hit refresh real quick. And there's that. I don't think we can actually see. Oh, what's this? Nope. Don't think we can actually see the data here in the. Nope. Okay, so we can't see the data here in the mobile version, but supposedly it is there. So, looks to be that very simple, that very easy. You give it a try and see if this commenting system that's actually metadata on the photo, if it's worth it. Alright, so this is Anthony F. AllYourAndroid.com. Testing out Picscribe. See ya.